if you have been struggling to understand how the market actually works, this video will explain in step-by-step guide how the forex trading actually work. You're welcome back to this forex trading simplified. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can understand how the market actually work. So right now, when you get to the financial markets, which is the forex market, you see a lot of candles, unlike red and green. All right, so you might have been wondering that what does this actually mean? So what these candles actually mean is that for the green candle, it is always called the bullish or buying candle. All right, so it means that when the market is trending high, when the market is buying, when the market is going up, that is when you know that the market is bullish. And you can see the interpretation of candle, the interpretation on candle on your chart. All right, so right now, this, as you can see on the screen right now, these are the interpretation of your candle. So as for bullish or buying candle, we can see that when we have a full candle like this, we have the opening price. All right, so this is the opening price of the candlestick, and this is the whole body of the candlestick. All right, so when the market opened from below here, we have some traders that are buying the market, making this body of the candles to be more bigger up to this stage. All right, and when there was no more high people that are buying the market at instance, the market will close at this point. All right, so and you can also see that we have low, shadow, or wick. All right, so we call this low, shadow, or wick. So this simply means that this is the lowest opening price of the market, and we also have the high, shadow, or wick, which means this is the highest closing price of the market. So this green candle, when you see a green candle in the market, it means that the market is actually buying at the moment. But this does not actually tell you that you can buy at the moment. As for the bearish markets, which is also called the selling candle, you can see that as for the selling candle, the opening price starts from above here. All right, so when we have a lot of traders selling the market down, the size of the candle will begin to become more bigger and bigger and bigger. And when it gets to a certain stage, the size of the candle will close. I mean the price of the market that they are actually selling at that point in time is going to close. All right, so we have the opening price of the candlestick right here, and we have the closing price of the candlestick right here, and this is the highest opening price of the candlestick, and this is the lowest closing price of the candlestick. In some charts, you may not see green and red candle because it depends on the personality of the trader that is trading the market. So there are some traders that actually change their charts to black and white, whereby the white could be the buying candle and the black candle could be selling candle, or vice versa. Do you understand now? So right now, this is the interpretation of the candlestick. This is the money movement in the financial markets. The next thing is that there are a lot of candle formations out there, and because of the types of trades that I'll be showing you in the upcoming videos, there are a lot of charts, there are a lot of candlesticks. All right, there are a lot of candlesticks out there, but I choose to prefer these two beautiful candles right here, because these candles give us meaning in the market to either enter a buy trade or enter a sell trade. All right. So if you look at this now, you can see that we have a lot of candles. We have the shooting star, we have the hanging man candlestick, we have the inverter, hammer, doji, spinning top, marubozu, long ledge doji, bullish arami, evening star doji, star. You see all of these candles. There are still more candlesticks out there, but I want you to understand right now that you don't need to memorize all of these candlesticks in your brain, because majority of this candlestick doesn't determine how the market is going to either buy or sell. But the reason why I choose these two beautiful candlesticks, which is the bullish pin bar or the bearish pin bar, and the bullish engulfing candlestick or the bearish engulfing candlestick, is that these two candlesticks have a major role that they play in the markets. All right. So right now, as per this video, this bullish pin bar candlestick, it is a reversal candlesticks. Okay, it is a reversal candlesticks. Though there are some cases that these candlesticks that you can actually use them. You can't use them in all time frame of the markets, but in the higher time frame, with additional to more confluences that we are going to be trading with in the long run, we are going to see that these two candlesticks are playing major roles in the markets. So right now, let me just get right into the market and show you these candlesticks that I'm talking about. So right here, we have our currency here. We have USD JPY. All right, we have USD JPY. So you can see that the color of this candlestick are red and green. All right, they are red and green. So what we call the bullish engulfing candlestick. These bullish engulfing candlesticks, it interprets like it's going to, the meaning of these bullish engulfing candlesticks. This is the example of bullish engulfing candles. This red fat candlesticks, as you are seeing here. And the reason why we call it bullish engulfing candlesticks is because it will actually consume the previous candlestick. It could be actually the red candlestick or green candlestick. It depends on the case of the market. But the one you are actually seeing here is the selling candlestick. So this is the bearish engulfing candlestick. And the reason why is because it's consumed this previous candlestick. This candlestick right here, this green candlestick right here, it was actually buying from below here. It was actually buying like this. But at a point in time, the sellers overpower the buyers. So this is why we have this red candlestick. So let me just go right here and look for bullish engulfing candlestick. Okay, so all right, so this is an example of bullish engulfing candlestick, this green fat candle. Okay, as you can see that the previous candle before this green candle is very small, but the moment the sellers were coming all the way from here, the sellers was coming down here, they are trying to sell the market downward. But at a point in time, the buyers took over. They took power of the market from the sellers, and this is why we have this bullish engulfing candlestick. So, and if you look at the market very well, you see that we have a lot of these two types of candlestick that I just explained to you. Okay, bullish engulfing candlestick. We have another one right here. Can you see? We have another one. This is another bearish engulfing candlestick. So right now, I'm going to show you some example of bullish or bearish pin bar in the markets, because these are the candlesticks that actually move the market in some cases. All right, so I'm going to look for a pin bar right now. Okay, it's very easy. So right now we can see the example of bullish pin bar. All right, this is the example of bullish pin bar. Okay, this is the network lagging. All right, so this is all right, sorry about that. So this is the example of bullish pin bar. All right, can you see this? Can you see that they are the same thing? All right, so you can see a lot of bullish pin bar in the markets. You can see a lot of bullish pin bar, and the majority the common candlestick that you see in the market is majorly bullish engulfing candlestick and the pin bar, either the bullish or bearish pin bar. All right, so if I continue to scroll now, look at it. This is another bullish pin bar. Okay, this is another bullish pin bar, and we can also see it at the top of the market as well. So I'm going to look for a bearish pin bar right here. Bearish pin bar. Bearish pin bar. Okay. All right. So this is one bearish pin bar right here. This is a bearish pin bar. All right. So I want to believe that you now understand how to read your candlestick, and this basic is going to goes a long way in your trading journey. So in the next video, I'm going to dive more into the markets, how to read the market, for you to actually understand the basics of the markets. All right. So I believe this video is helpful, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you.